I mean, this thing's gonna look brand new.
Got just a quick little project. Customer wanted some LED headlights put in, but let me show you these things. See, they're pretty fogged over. Like, I get the reason she's wanting the LED lights, but we're going to see what we can do to bring these things back to factory restoration. So the first thing I'm going to do is just wet it down with a little water. And man, you can see with water already, that just makes it look a little more clear. That's just a good indication of how much grime and whatnot's on it. So this is a 360 grit sandpaper that I'm just going to kind of buff the edges with real quick. Try to knock some of this high stuff off. And then we'll rinse this off. You can just, yeah, see all that just like melting off there. So we'll just rinse that down with some more water. Trick is just keeping this thing really wet so that it'll help get all that grime and grit off there. So we'll keep going a little bit here and we'll show you the next step.
Okay, so we just take this can and it's heated up here, and as you can see, it just kind of melts this first layer of where we've sanded it all at. This is an acetone that's in here, so you want to be careful not to get it on the paint. That's one of the reasons I keep the hood popped up, because most of these fumes go upward, as you can see. But just look at the difference in that. I mean, this thing's going to look brand new. It'll keep it this way, I don't know, 4 to 6 months or so. You know, probably stay a little longer if we had like a final protective coat that we could put on it, like almost like a fingernail polish to help keep it, you know, clear coated. But man, what a difference this will make. So as you can see, just a few minutes with this can, this headlight's looking brand new. So I think it's a good added value for the customer. I can pause it. So you can tell just that before and after. Here's the after and the before. So guys, this is just a quick, simple, easy kit that you guys can do at home yourselves. Just a couple steps. I mean, if I wanted it to be perfect, we could spend a little bit more time sanding, a little more time prepping, but I was just wanting to show you, you know, less than 5 minutes, you've got a pretty sweet headlight restoration. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe and give us those follows.